Hello, world. This is your Earth Angel Shekinah Glory. Switching it up a bit. This is going to be a nature sound, ASMR. Me eating this amazing sweet potato vegetable soup that I just made. And I'm on the second round. I will sip a little coffee, iced coffee. I will let you enjoy the nature sounds of the animals in the Washington, D.C. area. And enjoy. Woody Woodpecker. live across from a bird sanctuary, and there's some beautiful birds over there. This particular woodpecker is so beautiful. It has a red chest. I see spots of gray, white. Um, Amazing colors. His He is the colorful bird. The female bird is like a beigeish bird with leopard spots. Um, she's beautiful. So guys, let's get into this soup. I baked a sweet potato for about an hour. Cut up some of the flesh along with the insides and put it in a blender. While that was going on, oh my gosh. While that was taking place, I had my greens going. A little bundle of kale greens, sauteed, and I let it cook down for an hour. So when that was done, cut up some cabbage along with some green peppers and some red onions, which is my favorite. Saute that up a bit. Added a little bit of sugar, a tablespoon of sugar to the sweet potatoes that was in the blender. Ground that up, and I had a little bit of leftover mango smoothie juice or whatnot. I added that to, it was like maybe, not even a whole cup, maybe a third of a cup. And I added that to the blender as well, to the sweet potatoes. And guys, I got as you heard, my vegetables was crunchy. I didn't want it too soft. I just wanted it nice and crunchy and sauteed a bit, and it winded up so beautiful. So I was like, God, I want to do something different, and I said, give me a recipe. So of course he gave me a recipe, and I shared it with you guys. The ingredients I used was a little bit of heavy cream. I'm kind of going vegan. Well, for the most part, I'm vegan. It's just the dairy parts I need to learn more about and find other alternatives that they don't have in my local Walmart. However, I added the stock from the vegetables, from the kale, into the pot after it was fried enough. Then I added like the same 1/3 of heavy cream. Y'all, I added a little bit of sweet and smoky Grill Mates rub, and some curry powder, pepper, what else? A little bit of chili flakes. And that was pretty much it, y'all. When I say it was so good, and I normally don't put salt in my food, it was definitely a sweet and tangy taste that I will definitely try again. Maybe add like a toast bread or something to it. I just wanted to do something light since I'm kind of cleansing and fasting and things of that nature. I just wanted to do something light as far as my lunch preparations. And the presentation, I don't have good bowls or anything like that, but you can only imagine the taste. And I will do better. This is my first ASMR video, a sound video, or whatnot. And I will get better in time. So I hope you enjoyed the video and the sounds and everything of that nature that I see every day. And I just wanted to share with you guys that's out there in this crazy matrix world. So keep your crowns fixed, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. And if you battling any type of demons, just know if you really want a way out, ask your angels for help, guidance, and understanding to be led in the right direction. You know, we in a season of overcoming evil with good and people changing their hearts. And as queen of the lands, queen of this world, when God said a job for one, I'ma do everything it takes to save all of God's children. But it's up to you if you want the change, okay? So be blessed out there. Stay safe. Don't fear nothing. When you fear, that's an open gateway to them spawns and the spawnati crew that will attack you spiritually and physically. So return it back to all senders and rebuke it by any means necessary. God bless, guys.